Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dodge Ram tailgate is probably one of the most essential components for any truck owner, impacting everything from cargo security to the overall aesthetic and functionality of your vehicle. Whether you're hauling equipment for work, loading up for a weekend adventure, or simply want to maintain the sleek look of your Ram, a high-quality tailgate is indispensable. This video will dive deep into what makes a tailgate truly great, exploring the various options available and highlighting the features that offer durability, ease of use, and a perfect fit for your specific Dodge Ram model, ensuring you make an informed decision for your truck's needs. Number 5. ECOTRIC Tailgate Molding Cap for Dodge Ram 2009 to 2019. This tailgate molding cap is designed to perfectly fit your Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500 from 2009 to 2019. It's also compatible with the 2019 Classic models. It's a direct replacement for part numbers like CH1909100 and 553725052AH, ensuring a seamless fit. This ensures you get the quality you expect. Crafted from high-impact PP plastic, this cover is both lightweight and incredibly durable. It provides premium protection for your truck's tailgate. Installation is straightforward and can typically be completed in about 15 minutes. Mounting hardware is included for your convenience. This piece comes in black and is ready to be painted to match your truck's color if desired. It's a 3-piece set for complete coverage. What we like. This tailgate molding cap spoiler offers a complete 3-piece set for comprehensive coverage. It's made from durable, high-impact PP plastic, ensuring longevity and protection for your tailgate. If you're looking to replace a worn-out or damaged tailgate top cap and want a straightforward, factory-style fit, this is a great option. It's designed for easy installation, making it ideal for DIYers who want to refresh their truck's appearance quickly. What people say. The Tailgate Assist Damper is a great addition to my Dodge Ram. It allows the tailgate to drop slowly and smoothly, preventing it from slamming shut. Installation was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The tailgate now opens with a gentle push and closes with ease. The heavy-duty tailgate cables are a perfect fit for my Ram. They feel very sturdy and are designed to hold up to significant weight. Number 4. RealTruck TruXedo Sentry CT Hard Rolling Tonneau Cover. Introducing the RealTruck TruXedo Sentry CT Hard Rolling Tonneau Cover. It's designed to fit your 2019 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 6 feet 4 inches bed, offering a sleek and secure upgrade. Experience a premium, matte black finish that complements your truck's style. This high-end material not only looks great but is also dirt-resistant, staying clean longer. Your cargo's safety is paramount. Constructed with heavy-duty aluminum slats, it provides exceptional strength and protection. A central security latch adds an extra layer of peace of mind. Forget about complicated installations. This cover can be fully installed in under 30 minutes with no drilling or special tools required. Simply clamp, attach, and roll. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, this tonneau cover is built for durability and performance. Enjoy its low-profile design and robust construction for years to come. What we like. This hard-rolling tonneau cover provides a sleek, low-profile look with a premium matte black finish. It's constructed with heavy-duty aluminum slats for superior strength and security, protecting your cargo. If you're looking for a secure and stylish way to cover your truck bed without any drilling, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who value both aesthetics and robust protection for their gear. What people say. The Tailgate Assist Damper is a great addition for my Dodge Ram. It allows the tailgate to drop down slowly and smoothly, preventing it from slamming shut. Installation was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The parts fit perfectly without any modifications needed for my 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. The heavy-duty tailgate reinforcement kit significantly improved the rigidity of my tailgate. It feels much more solid and less prone to flexing, especially when carrying heavier loads. Number 3. Dorman 38650 Tailgate Hinge for Dodge. Is your tailgate misaligned or not functioning correctly? This tailgate hinge kit is designed as a direct replacement to restore proper alignment and function to your vehicle's tailgate. Over time, original tailgate components can fail due to wear. This kit offers an ideal and reliable solution to replace those worn-out parts. Crafted from quality components, this hinge is built for durability. You can expect reliable performance and a long service life from this part. Backed by a team of US-based product experts with over a century of automotive experience, you can trust in its quality. To ensure this part is the perfect fit for your specific vehicle, simply use the garage tool to input your make, model, and trim level. What we like. This tailgate hinge kit is designed as a direct replacement for original components, ensuring proper tailgate alignment and function. Its durable construction guarantees reliable performance and a long service life. If your tailgate is sagging or not closing properly due to worn-out hinges, this kit is the ideal solution. It's built for those who need a dependable fix to restore their tailgate's original functionality. What people say. The tailgate assist damper is a great addition to my Dodge Ram. It allows the tailgate to drop slowly and smoothly, preventing it from slamming shut. Installation was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The tailgate now opens with one hand and closes gently. This tailgate reinforcement kit is very sturdy and well made. It significantly improved the rigidity of my tailgate and eliminated any sagging. Number 2. Dorman 38671 Tailgate Latch. This tailgate latch is engineered as a direct replacement. It is designed to perfectly fit and function like the original part on your specific vehicle. If your original tailgate latch has failed, this part will restore its full functionality. It's built to ensure your tailgate operates as it should. Crafted from high-quality materials, this latch ensures dependable performance and a long service life. You can count on its durable construction. Backed by over a century of automotive experience and a team of US-based product experts, you can trust its quality. This part represents reliable engineering. To ensure this part is the perfect fit for your vehicle, simply use the garage tool. Input your make, model, and trim level for confirmation. What we like. This driver's side tailgate latch is engineered to match the fit and function of your original latch, restoring full operation. It's constructed from quality materials for reliable performance and a long service life. If your tailgate latch is broken or not engaging correctly, this part will bring back that essential functionality. It's perfect for anyone needing a precise replacement to ensure their tailgate operates smoothly and securely. What people say. The tailgate assist damper is a great addition to my Dodge Ram. It allows the tailgate to drop slowly and smoothly, preventing it from slamming shut. Installation was straightforward, and the tailgate assist damper works as advertised. It makes opening and closing the tailgate much easier and safer. This tailgate assist damper is a high-quality product that fits my Dodge Ram perfectly. It has a sturdy construction and operates flawlessly. Number 1. TQPONLY Tailgate Latch Striker Bolt, 2 PCS. Ensure a perfect fit with direct replacement parts. These are designed to seamlessly replace your original tailgate latch striker bolts. These striker bolts are compatible with a wide range of Dodge Ram models from 2002 to 2023. They also fit the Jeep Gladiator from 2020 to 2023. Specifically designed to replace part numbers 6512878AA and 6508552AA. You can trust it to function just like the original equipment. Crafted from high-quality metal, these bolts are built for durability and wear resistance. Enjoy a smoother operation for your tailgate. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. You can be confident in your purchase and its long-term performance. What we like. This tailgate latch striker bolt set is made from wear-resistant metal for enhanced durability and smooth operation. It directly replaces specific OE part numbers, ensuring a proper fit for a wide range of Dodge Ram and Jeep Gladiator models. If you're dealing with a broken or worn-out tailgate striker bolt that's preventing your tailgate from latching securely, this set is the solution. It offers a robust and reliable replacement for peace of mind. What people say. The tailgate assist damper is a great addition for my Dodge Ram. It allows the tailgate to drop down slowly and smoothly, preventing it from slamming shut. Installation was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The tailgate now opens with a controlled descent, which is a significant improvement. This tailgate damper is well built and functions exactly as advertised. It adds a premium feel to the truck by making the tailgate operation effortless. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.